Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do fun friendly recipes that the whole family can enjoy. So today's video is a tasty chicken shawarma. It's homemade, it's marinated chicken breast, it's popped in the oven, it's served with hummus, salad, and it just hits all the spots. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. So let's make our marinade. We start off with some lemon juice. To this we add some crushed garlic. Then we add our seasoning of salt and pepper. Now we're on to our spices. So first of all we drop in some cumin, then some coriander, then some turmeric, some paprika, and lastly a little pinch of chili flakes. Give this a good stir to get it all incorporated. And then we add our chicken breasts. Again, give our chicken breasts a good stir, make sure they're fully covered in the marinade. Once they are, cover it with a lid, pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours, or overnight if you have the time. Now after our chicken is marinated, we just take it out. Just make sure it's fully covered, get any of the last bits of marinade onto it. And then we pop it on a baking tray that's been lined with greaseproof paper. Then we take our chicken over to our preheated oven, which is 200 degrees fan or 220 ordinary. Pop the chicken in for approximately 20 minutes and just let it cook. While our chicken's cooking, we'll make our salad. So we have some sliced lettuce leaves, or you could use rocket if you prefer, some sliced red onion, some black olives sliced, or you could use green olives, just whatever olives you have, some diced cucumber. On top of that we crumble some feta cheese. Just give that a quick stir to get it all mixed in and set it to the side. So back over to our oven and we check on our chicken fillets. So just take them out and using our thermal pen, just make sure that they're correct temperature. They should be above 75 degrees centigrade. As you can see, these chicken fillets are well cooked, but still nice and juicy. So let's serve our chicken shawarma. We take our chicken fillets, we slice them up, break them into bite-sized pieces. Obviously mine's falling apart, as you can see the juices are still flowing out of it. Really well cooked, but nice and tender. So we take our wrap, we spread on some hummus. If you don't like hummus, obviously you could go with Greek yogurt or something different. Then we take our chicken fillets and we pop them over the top. Then we just take some for salad. again pop it over the top. I hope you enjoyed this video for homemade easy chicken shawarma. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.